Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Odyssey sliding door step by step. Start by safely opening the door to its full travel and supporting it with a block or assistant. Visually inspect the lower and upper tracks, rollers, and guide rails for debris or damage. Test the motor and electrical switch while observing movement. Note any binding points and unusual sounds, which will guide the next repair steps and parts needed. Begin by removing loose dirt and old lubricant from the track and rollers using a brush and cleaner. Wipe surfaces dry with a clean rag. Apply a thin layer of silicone-based lubricant to the track, rollers, and guide pins, then operate the door several times to distribute the lubricant evenly. If you find stubborn grime, repeat cleaning before lubricating, and always test manual and powered operation to confirm smooth, quiet movement and consistent alignment. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs. It really helps. Quick recommendation: keep a durable water bottle nearby while working so you stay hydrated and alert during repairs. It's a small boost that can save time and keep your hands steady. I'm using a compact insulated bottle I love. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If cleaning and lubrication don't fully restore smooth operation, check for loose bolts and alignment issues. Gently loosen adjustment points to reposition the door and then tighten to secure. Replace worn rollers or guides, matching specifications to maintain proper fit and motion. Follow the vehicle manual for torque values if available. After each part replacement, cycle the door several times, listening for abnormal sounds and ensuring the door seats properly at stops and seals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.